My name is Manoj Subramanya. Um, I've been working with Recorder Future since last 6 years now. I'm a senior product manager. I have overall about 16 plus years of experience in the field of cybersecurity, and I mainly look after building our integrations with our premier partners like Splunk. It's a joint collaboration. We build the integrations, have them as apps, and distribute to our mutual customers for the benefit of operationalization of intelligence. I've been using Splunk Enterprise Security for probably close to 7, 8 years, I would say. Yeah, so I've been using Splunk Enterprise Security in various, I would say, roles. So my use cases have always been changing depending on the role. But primarily, I was using it for the correlation of external threat intelligence in the notables that exist in the Splunk Enterprise Security. So we are currently, focusing more on making it easier for our customers to bring in external threat intelligence, like from Recorder Future, like us, having the ability to easily correlate that against their entire telemetry, and be able to create those notables indicative of any alerts that would have missed through their traditional defenses. Yeah, I think the biggest feature is the data model, the CIM data model of Splunk Enterprise Security, which lets users to bring in data from different sets of technologies, like be it your firewall, be it your endpoint, be it your perimeter DMZ. You can just allow every device to pump data into your enterprise security, and the data model does the job of normalizing all the data and putting it in a common table. Yeah, I think risk-based alerting is a game changer feature in Splunk Enterprise Security, because before that we used to always be flooded with a lot of alerts. In SOC terms, we call it alert fatigue. We were always swamped with a lot of alerts, and we don't know which ones to prioritize. But with risk-based alerting, it essentially adds that additional intelligence to the alerts, be it your behavioral or your internal asset-based criteria into consideration, and adds those additional intelligence to kind of give you that risk factor for each of those alerts, so you know exactly which ones to focus on and which ones are more noise that you can probably ignore. Yeah, I think Splunk Enterprise Security has definitely helped us in bringing down our MTTD, the mean time to detect. We used to like we used to take at least few days before we identify if a particular alert was critical in the whole sea of alerts that we had before. But with enterprise security, we were able to easily get to those critical important alerts among the whole noise, thanks to risk-based alerting. We were able to bring down the overall time to detect to probably few hours from the previous time span of few days.